How's it going, guys? I'm just gonna be going over my M14. It's honestly been a minute since I last posted, so I apologize for that, as well as me just doing update videos on the M14 itself. So quite a bit has changed. This is just a WeTech, and it's a gas blowback airsoft gun. Really cool. It's pretty powerful as well, and it's pretty heavy on top of that. But here's the gun. I mean, there's the heat shield I'm gonna be showing off. It's an original one. It actually fits pretty well. I did add a bracket on the end of it, or a brace, I guess. Yeah, as you can see right there. Really cool. I'm glad that that fit on perfectly. That was probably one of the easiest things that you can add to the gun, is that little heat shield. As you can see, here's the stock. I'm just kind of showing you a little bit of a different angle, the other side as well. So as you can see, here's the stock. It's an original stock. It might be post-war, might be early 60s or something. Really, no idea. But honestly, it looks really great with the gun. Just makes it look more field used and just weathered in general. So that's really honestly the main reason why I picked up an original stock. Now, here's a few things that I haven't gotten done with the gun. It's missing a little guard with the where the magazine goes. That piece on its own I could not fit anywhere, and it was just an overall huge pain in the ass. I just decided not to put it in there. I will maybe in the future. I might do a few more grinding and sanding, so on and so forth, but honestly that just takes hours and hours of just correcting your work and just so on and so forth. But yeah, it was not fun. There's little screws, as you can see, they're missing. I just could not fit them in the gun. Pretty much the same reason as that little guard. Just could not fit in the gun. It was just a pain in the ass. And so I just sort of half-assed it and just, didn't put a screw there. I will eventually, I will make the gun look far more authentic and just more real. But for now, that's pretty much the setup for it. Now here's the gun disassembled, and I'm going to be showing you guys just how much I've taken off of the original stock. This thing honestly looks like a nub compared to what it originally was. It honestly took hours and hours. And so if you guys really want to do this, just prepared to do this for like 2 days, 3 days. And it took a lot of corrections. I honestly had to use the original WeTech stock, the plastic stock, as a reference. So I mean, you're gonna have to be asking yourself, like, do I really want to do this, or do I just want to take the easy route and just use a WeTech stock? Because I mean, the original ones they look visually better, but I mean, you're putting hours and hours of just, I guess, grinding and sanding and so on and so forth. Now, some people might be pissed off that you're destroying a piece of history. Technically, I mean, you kind of are, so that's really your decision. I mean, these stocks, I really don't feel like they're going anywhere. My stock was pretty fucked up. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. In the last minute or so, I'm just gonna be shooting the gun.